as you walk into the Airstream, you'll find you have a dual aluminum step that's only available on the Classic. As you walk into the cabin, obviously what presents first of all is all of the light that dumps in here. It pours from not only all of the panoramic to the side windows to the overhead skylight to also the Vista View, which pours light also in. So that's what really opens up first of all in the Classic, is all of the light. Now, please, let's start right away. First thing you're going to see is all the beautiful natural hickory. It's all done on these wonderful bronze hinges, so you have access in solid hickory panels to certainly what becomes great storage in the overhead cabinetry done with the natural hickory. What presents first of all is this beautiful golden ultra leather sofa. Allows you certainly additional sleeping capability, but also storage wise. You have a lot of storage both inside and out, and your access panel for your fuse along with your battery disconnect is also located under there. But great look. Now look at the amount of space that we have in the open area here. Now, a couple of things that point out. First of all, the little computer workstation, if you will, pops into place. Access for 2 chairs that go with. So this is a great little for individual. And then you have the opportunity over here, which would be your drop down. And this would pivot out along with having the ability to put in great, and with just a lot of wonderful space done once again in this beautiful solid hickory. All of the shades in the Classic are what are called day-night shades. What that means, certainly you have these beautiful Teflon backed curtains, but notice how you have the light permeates through the shade. Well, then you have the nighttime shade. So you have both the opportunity to have the light permeating shade along with both day and night shades. Overhead cabinetry in solid hickory, once again with the bronze hardware. Lowercase with side-mounted steel rides, which give you access to the entire drawer. The dinette presents first of all with that solid hickory top, combined with the golden ultra leather. Lots more light pulling in here. You have the overhead bronze chandelier, which I absolutely adore. Once again, storage abounds everywhere. Solid brass hardware, which by the way is bolted directly to the frame. It's not screwed. And certainly the opportunity to drop this into a dual sleeper. We pull the TVs, but Jim, Sherry, you do have a 29-inch high-def LED HD TV. You've got an overhead antenna on this that pulls about 28 channels of free TV right where we sit. That's fantastic. While we're here, let's touch on the Dometic system. The Dometic system is a set it and forget it touch convenience for your heating and cooling. It's just like home. You touch that, you set it, and you forget it, which is beautiful. That way you can set whatever temperature you require and slowly walk away. Also, the overhead AC unit will have a heat pump. So not only do you have the lower gas burning furnace, but you also have the opportunity on your AC without using propane just to take the edge off with a heat pump. Very cool. Let's take a look at this beautiful galley. The galley in the Classic is just that. It's classic. Notice that first of all, the working surface is all this beautiful Corian. You have a beautiful backsplash here with all of this bronze accented appliance. Along with that, you have your soap dispenser, individual filtered water, and of course these beautiful panels here that are cutting boards, but also have the opportunity for the dual sink, and you have a little more of a pop-up here which gives you that additional amount of counter space. The amount of underneath space here is just absolutely beautiful. So plenty of storage in the counter surface here, along with access for all of the toys that you require. Certainly more storage underneath your convection microwave. And with that, you have your computer system, which gives you all of your capacities, your inverted system here, along with an additional 110 outlet. Overhead vent with varying speeds for your hood and also lighting, but that also, it's clean in its silhouette, gives you still access to the upper cabinet. So this, combined with a beautiful amount of storage space, makes this one heck of a biggest Dometic refrigerator freezer that Airstream manufactures. This gives you a tremendous amount of freezer and refrigerator space. By the way, this is that Dometic 2 component system, being that it will run off of either propane or it will run off of electric, and it uses its head, meaning that it will always go to the smartest source. So if you're running propane when you're getting ready to roll down the road, by the time you get to your campsite, plug into your shore power, it automatically will switch over. Very cool. Let's go midship in the Classic. As we approach midship in the Classic, what you're going to see first of all is the cedar lined cabinetry, so your wardrobe space is absolutely fantastic. What's also great about that is you have a full-length mirror, but the only thing that comes to you from Airstream that has a solid door would be the Classic. It's not done in any other travel trailer in the Airstream line. I love the fact that you can separate both the master bedroom, midship as far as the lavatory is concerned, and the front of your Classic with a solid door. So very cool, very good design. Let's take a look at the lavatory. As we get aft in the Classic, we find ourselves in the lavatory. First of all the light that's pouring in from the overhead skylight. Once again, let's let the light in. Now midship, you have the angled porcelain toilet. You have, of course, all of this beautiful Corian surfaces with your bronze hardware. Once again, the solid cabinetry done in the hickory. You do have additional space behind the mirror for all of your lavatory needs. And across from that would be your walk-in shower, which gives you a fully adjustable shower head, on and off operation. But the great thing about it is its single piece construction means no problems with water. Extremely spacious area. If someone had to close themselves into the midship to change, you've got a beautiful area here that could be great for changing clothes. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom in the Classic. Of course, it's dressed up from the standpoint, all the covers, all the pillows come with. If you look at the wardrobe space in this, you have side wardrobes, you have cubbies, you have all of your speakers and lighting access behind, with the opportunity for airflow to come through. You have airflow from 2 side windows, and then complementing that would be your overhead fantastic fan. So the great thing about how this sets up is the fact that you have all of this beautiful natural hickory, but with the windows that can open up, that allows you to bring in all of that wonderful air from outside. The master bedroom is equipped with an additional TV, which you have, by the way, the remote control works on all the TVs, and you have some controls at your fingertips here. Overhead reading lights, sconces. You do have outlets for plugging in, and then you even also have your fantastic vent controls at your fingertips. Let's face it, the master bedroom of a Classic is a little better than it gets in any other Airstream on the planet, and frankly, a little better than any other travel trailer on the planet. Jim, Sherry, I want to thank you for taking the time to come in and see us at Haydocy Airstream. I want to thank you for giving Mike and myself the time to talk to you a little bit about the Classic. When you get a chance, give me a shout out if I can help in any way. Once again, it's Eric. My phone is area code 614-279-8880. Or you can give me a shout out via email, eric@haydocy.com. There's still details about the Classic I'm sure that we didn't cover. This is just a quick overview of what this beautiful travel trailer is all about. I think you guys talked about visiting the factory, which is going to be beautiful. If there's anything, like I said, that I can do, let me know. We look forward to talking to you. We look forward to talking Classic with you. And the only thing I can tell you from there is happy camping.